Welcome. This is a series of presentation where we are trying to give you an idea of some of the experiences of the patients. They are giving their testimonial. These are being done voluntarily. There is nothing that we have told them exactly what to, but I'm going to ask a series of questions and they'll answer it. Tell us, how did you find us and what made you come when you came to this office?
Well, actually, believe it or not, I let my fingers do the walking, and I found Dr. Gupta in the Yellow Pages.
Wonderful. Tell me, once you arrived here, what were the medical problems that you were having, and what made you come, and what was the experience after having come here?
I came to Dr. Gupta because I had hypertension, diabetes, and unbeknownst to me, he was the best in both. I had also recently fallen through my sun deck and had a terrible wound on my leg, which I did not know he was also a wound care specialist.
So tell us about the wound first. How long you'd had this wound and what happened here at this office?
I had fallen in March. I came to see Dr. Gupta in April. And it was an open wound on my leg, and it was 3 inches long by 2 inches wide by 1/4 of an inch deep. Dr. Gupta cleaned the wound and removed all the dead tissue and gave me IVs because I had been hospitalized with a staph infection. And he cleaned the wound and told me that he would have it closed up within a month. Needless to say, I was rather skeptical. Within a month, the wound was closed, and I had no pain from the wound.
Tell us, I think at the end, the wound did heal up from the bottom, but there was a big gaping area where there was no skin. Correct. And we gave you a skin graft. And tell us, what was the experience with that?
I came in weekly, and he would change the skin graft, and it closed the wound up, and I have a very small scar. It's amazing, the change in the wound, because as I say, it was a gaping wound when I came to see Dr. Gupta.
And going back to the fact that you've had diabetes and hypertension, what's your experience, and what was your blood pressure and diabetes before, and what are they like now?
The blood pressure was uncontrollable, and we would try different medications, and I had been on medications for the past 13 years. And right now, I am not on any medication for the high blood pressure. He has changed the diabetes medication, and I have no problem with it whatsoever. The sugar is running very normal. The blood pressure is like 120/80 every day.
So overall, you'd say you are a very happy customer, and tell us, how do you think about that?
On a scale of, say, 1 to 10 rating Dr. Gupta, I would give him a 20. It's the most amazing experience I have ever had, because I had been going to the same doctor, as I say, for the past 15 years. And when I first came to Dr. Gupta, he asked me how long I had been that color, because I was such a yellow color. And he has changed everything. My life is great now, and I feel great every day, and I am grateful every day for Dr. Gupta.
One of the things I wanted to ask you was, you were very tired and fatigued, and you're a senior person in the job that you do, and you were having a tough time coping with that. And how do you feel now when you go to work?
Oh, yes, it is amazing, because I was indeed very tired and would hate going to work because I was so tired. And now I go to work, I can stay until 9 or 10 at night, and still, it's great. I love it. I feel wonderful.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate this. I hope we can continue to offer you some wonderful care. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and God bless you.